Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to analyze the x64-dbg using xAnalyzer, and I want to show you the correct settings for it as well. And I'm also going to show you how to clear all your debugging information. So let's say I want to analyze this crack B5. So the first thing I do is I want to crack the settings. So I open the x64-dbg, go to plugins, xAnalyzer, make sure you uncheck the first and the second one, only leave the third and the fourth one checked. I have found that if you leave the first and the second one checked, it will cause the x64-dbg to crash. Sometimes this happens if the file is too big. So just leave it unchecked. Then if you want to analyze a file, you do it manually. Let's say I open crackme5 and I want to analyze a particular section. I will just select it like this and then right click xAnalyzer, analyze selection, and it will go ahead and do it for me. So now let's say I want to clear the debugging information. Right now, if I were to rerun this and do some kind of debugging, put breakpoints and so on, and I have all this debugging information, right? So if I want to clear all of them at one go, instead of doing it manually, I can go to the db folder. So let me close this first, and I'll go to the db folder for the x64-dbg. It's located under x64-dbg release x32 db folder. So db folder contains all the breakpoints, comments, bookmarks, annotations, everything. So if you want to clear all of them, all you need to do is go to this folder, the db folder, select all of this and hit the delete key. And you can do the same thing for x64-dbg as well. Delete everything in here. Okay, let's restart again. So let's say now I want to analyze the crackme. Let's say I do crackme5. So I will open this now. And now let's say I click trace animate over. Alright, so it's here now. Let's say I put a breakpoint here, restart, run to my breakpoint, and I step into it, F7. So now I'm inside this breakpoint. If I want to analyze this section, I just select all of this, and then I can right click, go down to xAnalyzer, select analyze section, and you see it has analyzed for me. So this is how you use it. Then I can keep scrolling down and say I want to analyze another section. So I just select another section, right click, go down to xAnalyzer, analyze selection, and there you go. It has analyzed it for me. All the parameters are there. And then it is so helpful that it shows you the function call as well as the parameter for the function call. So all this push now has some meaning. And if you want to look it up further, you can go to MSDN. Let's say I want to look up message box. I go to MSDN, search for MSDN message box without the A, and then here just click on the first result and you see message box. So this result, this MSDN library, you can use to compare this with this annotation, and you find the same, just that in here is the reverse order. Here message box starts from here, and then you have first parameter, which is here, first parameter in reverse order, second parameter is here, third parameter is here, fourth parameter is here. So now it makes it so useful. You can see, right? And you can read further details down here as I discussed earlier in earlier lessons. So this is all I wanted to share with you in this lesson. Thank you for watching.